see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Good morning! Today is March 10. Ito yung baon nila. Smiley fruit sandwich tapos yung fruits, blueberries and strawberries. And yan yung snacks na nabili ko kahapon. And eto kay Sak. And si Kuya gusto niya apple yung fruits niya. So, yan yung kanilang baon for today. Eto kay Holy Girl. And si Sophie nandito. Mag-walking sila. Bye!
Oh.
Halik mo si Daddy. See you. Love you. Listen and learn. See you, Sophie. Hold Sophie's hand, Holly. Good girl.
That's mine. I had one.
What's that?
Me.
Right.
See ya.
Oh, she can just hold your hand when you cross the road and that, alright?
Yeah. Yes.
Bring your box. Why do you always bring your box? Oh.
See ya. Listen and learn.
Bye.
Bye. See ya, Sophie. See ya, Holly. See ya. May nakita silang bunny. Is that bunny? Easter is coming. No, it is a bunny. Oh, bunny, come here. Oh, okay, go now.
Going back to her family.
Yes, okay.
Where
See ya.
does she live? She's lost.
Yeah,
She don't know where his family is. How about you
I know.
big container?
All right, go now. You will be late. Don't forget to hold Sophie's hands, Holly, when you cross the road. Good girl.
Well done. Jack. Light. Wrong.
L-I. Oh yeah, go on, man.
Tyrone.
Two relief teachers. We didn't
Shut
even.
up and learn how to spell, mate.
One more chair, Dad.
Yeah.
One more chair.
See you on chair. Over there, Jack. Yes, you.
Look at that guy, quick, quick.
Good rhyme.
March 11, ito yung dinner namin mamaya. Nagluto lang ako ng pansit bihon. And nanonood din ako ng Korean while I'm cooking. And maglalagay ako ng magtatoppings ako ng chicken. So, yan. Marami pa dito. So, eto yung dinner namin. And yung mga bata kanina, lunch order sila. So, hindi ako gumawa ng, lunch. So, yung dinner. Pansit. Good morning, Zaki boy! Good morning, guys. Today is, mag-vlog ako. Today is, March 12. Is it March 12, Zach?
Yeah.
Mag-vlog ako kasi, punta kami sa, sa school kasi may intersport. Kasali si Kuya sa
Interschool.
Interschool. Sorry. Ito pa yung baon ng mga bata. Ito, gustong-gusto nila, ha? You like this? The pretzels? O, yan. Lalagyan ko siya ng pretzels. Tapos yung, okay, yung shapes. Tinanggal ko lang sa plastic. Tapos, shapes din to. Tapos, ayan, meron siyang lamingtons na dessert. Sila. Pero si Kuya, kinuha niya yung sa kanya. Tapos yung nila, yung fruits nila is apple today. Para easy lang daw. Okay. Gotta say good morning, everyone. Say good morning, Baba.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I like the twist.
Welcome. Tingnan nyo sa labas. Napaka-foggy. Ayan. Ay, ang lamig. Malapit na naman magtaglamig. Malamig na ngayon. Fall na kasi. Eh, si Kuya. Hi, Kuya. Good morning. Yan yung kanila. Interschool na uniform. So, ito pala yung breakfast nila. Wheat bakes kasi para raw maging mabilis ang takbo ni Kuya. So, yung pubos na to. Oh, wala na nga, ate. Wala na to. Mga na lang to. Mga crumbs. Dito si Sophie. Gusto niyang nagpapadrop off dito. Tapos magbo-walking sila nila. Kuya. Si Kuya at saka Isak nagbabike. Pero lang. Slowly lang. Gusto niya sanang akala niya may pasok si Holly. Only Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Alternate Thursday for Holly. Bye. See you, Zach. See you. See you. May regular class sila. Si Kuya, good luck!
Hey, guys. Hey, guys.
Good luck, yeah?
Do you not have any
Nakaligo na si Jan. Maya-maya, mag-na rin ako. Mag-ayos na rin ako.
Why?
Stop! Wait, no, I can't moving. Stop!
Be big and hard. Say it.
Honey. Okay.
Tama na.
Guys, ayan, naka-ready na kami. 10 o'clock yung ni Kuya, yung nila, mag-start. Oops, ang dilim. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung ating suot. Ito ay from Misguided. Tapos, naka-crossbody. Pero parang hindi na ako mag-crossbody bag. Pero ipakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. So, ito yung Mickey Mouse from Misguided. Na-haul ko to sa inyo. Ayan, tapos naka-cycling. Anong tawag dito? Yung biker shorts. And crossbody bag. Pero feeling ko, hindi ko alam kung mag-crossbody bag ako. Is Daddy's there? Come on. Come here, show your outfit. Ayan siya, oh. Yeah, naka-sombrero siya.
I'll check if that's
Okay, let's go. Buti na. Pinabi ni Holly, Mom, you still have tag on. Kalimutan na naman natin ito. Dito kami. Ito. So, tumakbo kayo ni Holly papunta dito. Kasi akala namin, hintay namin si Jan. Kasi si Jan pupunta siya sa farm. Binuksan niya yung gate kasi may magdi-deliver ng hay para sa cow. So, yun. Hiningal kami ni Holly. And merong ambulansya dito for emergency. Ayan, oh. Ayan si Jan, tsaka si Holly, tsaka yung friend niya. Tsaka yung ambulansya dun. Nag-CR lang kami ni Holly. Medyo matagal-tagal lang kami naghihintay. Mga 1 hour. Ayun. Mag-hotdog muna siya. Okay, yun. Mag-sausage roll muna kami. Habang wala pa si Kuya. Si Sak, may pasok sila. Baka mamaya, lalabas sila. Pero doon lang sila pwede sa may tennis court. Hindi sila pwede dito sa may So, yun. Kasi kung makita natin si Sak, may pasok kasi sila eh. Regular sila. Yung mga, ano lang, napili lang na maglalaro for ano. Interschool. Pwede dito.
Yes.
What? Sausage bread? Okay, baba. Ayan na yung kay Holly. Iniwan ko si Jan tsaka si Holly doon kasi baka tumakbo na si Kuya. So, punta na ako doon. Pero feeling ko, hindi natin makaka-capture ng maayos yung pag-run ni Kuya na 100 meters. Kasi bawal dito sa ano dyan. Sa oval. Doon lang kami sa may labas. Eh, may mga tent. Hindi natin masyado makikita. Tingnan natin. Rina-applyan ko si Oli ng sunscreen kasi sobrang init. Pero kanina sobrang lamig. Na? Yes. Yes. Yeah. Kanina napakalamig. Mga 6 o'clock. Napakalamig and foggy. Ngayon ang init na. Alright, Baba? Let me see. Wala pa si Kuya. Init na siya. Wala pa rin si Kuya. How long we been waiting, ha? What time is it? Mga 2 hours na yata kami naghihintay. Wala pa si Kuya. Okay. Si Maddie na yan.
Go. Oh, good start.
Yeah, yeah. Go, Maddie. Go, Maddie. Go. Go, Maddie. Go. Go, run. Go. Go, Maddie. Go. Dito siya. Hintayin natin si Kuya na linagay ko tayo sa ground para hindi siya shaky. Kasi sinumin ko. Kasi ang layo ni Kuya. Ang layo. Dito kami sa end. Well done, Maddie! Si Kuya will be here. Dito sa last na yan. Last na pole. Last sila Kuya eh. Go, Kuya! Go, Kuya! Go, Kuya! Go! Go! Go, Kuya! Go, Kuya! Go, Kuya! Go, go, Kuya! Go! Go, Kuya! Go, Kuya! Go! 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 Good job, Kuya! Good job, yeah. Yeah. Good job. What you got? So this is our drink, Powerade.
Hi, mate.
How are you?
Good.
I thought did.
Wow. Kaya dito kay sobrang init doon. Bili siya ng ice pop. See you, Baba. Go. Gusto bumili ni Holly ng ganyan.
He won't come back.
He won't come back.
Come back, but he won't come back.
Gusto niya sana samahan si Holly.
So, yeah.
So, dala niya yung yung plastic para ipakita. Nandun lang naman eh. Good girl, Baba. Okay, let me open it. Ito yung dala niya doon, no, para ipakita. Good job.
You're a good girl.
$1.
Mommy, I go in there.
It's out of rain. I said, oh,
I want coffin.
Kinuha ni Jan si Sak kasi bawal si Sak dito. Hindi naman bawal. Yung teacher niya lang, mahigpit. Pero yung ibang mga bata, pwede naman na manood pag lunch. Eh, si Jan, kinuha ni Jan. Ayun si Jan, oh. Kinuha niya si Sak, oh. Andun sila, oh. Ayan si Jan. Bilhan niya si Sak ng ice cream. Yung dalawa. Hi, Sak. Did Daddy get you? Not allowed to come here.
He is. He's allowed to come in.
Huh? You're not allowed?
Are you allowed if you're getting sweaty?
Oh. Hi, Sophie. Ay, lilipad. See you, Zach. Ang sweet nitong mag-daddy, oh. Isa gusto niyang bumalik.
There's Sophie.
Ayaw niya nang bitawan si Sophie. You want one more, Sophie? Bili pa ulit sila ng ice cream. Zach! One more for Holly to. Baba! Pangalawa niya na yan. Where's Holly, love? Ayan si Holly. Iba na. Supa-dupa. Ni Jan kung nasaan yung sukli. Where's the change?
Give it to my friend.
Binigay niya raw sa friend niya yung $1. Oh, ang sweet niya naman. Shinare niya yung $1. See ya, love. Bye.
Hey, Zach.
See ya, Zaki. See ya home. So, si Kuya, tapos na pa si Kuya ng 100 meters, 200 meters, tsaka 400 meters. So, ang hinintay na lang namin ay yung Relay, 100 meters, Han?
What?
Relay?
400.
400?
100 meters each.
100 meter each, okay.
Move.
Go, Kuya! Go, Kuya! Go! Go, Kuya! Go! Yan, pinasa niya sa kasama niya. Hey! Good job! Good job! Good job, yeah! Good job! Done well! Good job! Good job!
We got there, so
Yeah.
probably
We would
good
have
go.
came first.
It's alright. Good job! Cross the road, Kuya. Tapos na si Kuya, so uwi na kami. Say see ya! See ya! Where's your car, Han?
There, but I'll go open the car.
Okay.
It's our set.
Bye na kami, guys. And si Kuya, ayan, nauna siya dito sa balcony. Nakauna yung PS for Friday. So, pwede sila maglaro. Sobrang init. And yung school nila, Kuya, hindi sila ang nanalo. Ang nanalo ay yung Kingston. 2 hours away sila from here. And buti na lang, dito ginanap sa school nila. Kasi, kung kami mag-drive, 2 hours kaya. 2 hours drive tapos, di ba? So, buti na lang dito ginanap. Ta sobrang init. And last year, where was the Interschool, Kuya, last year?
Kingston.
Oh, Kingston?
Yes.
And you were supposed to be going there last year, right?
But Dad didn't want to go there.
Oo, dapat si Kuya kasama nung last
We
year.
had one event and Dad didn't want to wait.
Kasi isang event lang yung sasalihan ni Kuya. Tapos sabi ni Kuya, ay ni Jan, isa lang naman yung sasalihan mo. Tapos mag-drive tayo ng 2 oras. So, kaya hindi namin siya pinasali. So, this year, pinasali namin kasi meron siyang, how many events did you go, Kuya? 5? 5 events. So, what's the first one?
Discus.
Discus? Huh?
Yes.
How did you go? Kasi hindi namin yung naabutan kasi very bad.
Me
Si-
and Ollie did very bad.
Yung best friend niya, sila raw hindi raw maganda. And then, you run 100 meters first, right?
No, discus was first.
Yeah. Second is 100 meters.
Mm-hmm.
And, how did you go? You came 7th, right?
Yes.
Then,
Still good because it's low cost.
yeah, it's still good kasi siyam sila. Tapos, malalaking mga tao. And, ano pa ba? Then, what's the third? 400 meters.
400.
And you came what? 7th or 8th? 8. Kasi parang, I think you stopped a little bit, Kuya. Did you?
On the 400, I walked a little bit.
Yeah, nag-walk si Kuya kasi parang nagkaroon siya ng dito, yung parang sumakit niya dito. Tapos, pero tinapos niya, yun ang maganda, tinapos ni Kuya kahit masakit na yun dito niya. Then, yung 5th was 200.
No, 7.
No. After 400, you run 200 meters again.
Yeah, and I went 7.
Yeah, 200 meters. After 400 meters, nagtakbo ulit si Kuya ng 200 meters and you came 7th. Right?
Yeah.
Siyam sila. Pero yung school na sumali is 4 na iba-ibang school. Pero yung mga kasali na mga ibang school ay marami silang representative sa mga running. So, sila Kuya yun. Kaya siyam, tapos 8, tapos siyam ata. Ganun yung, yung sa running. And then, relay was the last one.
Yep.
And they came 2nd, which is really good. And, yeah, yun. And then, hindi ako masyado nag-vlog kasi may mga tao ako na, ang dami kong i-cover kasi mayroong mga taga-ibang school. So, trinay ko na si Kuya lang yung i-capture ko talaga kaya baka zoom si Kuya. So, we'll see kung ano yung mga nakuha ko dito kasi, yun nga, may mga taga-ibang school so hindi ako masyadong nag-vlog doon. And, yeah, dito na si Jan. That was quick, huh?
Huh?
What do you think?
Okay.
Yeah, why are you looking?
Well, I know.
No, Kuya did a good job running like 900 meters altogether. You think so? Uy,
Absolutely.
absolutely. Oo, kaya nakakapagod kaya ako hindi ko yung kain sa oval na. Yeah, so yun. And you're gonna have your pa-orderin ko siya sa pub. I'm not gonna cook, Han.
Oh, no, no.
May leftover pa kasi ako dyan na na pansit. So, yun ang kainin ko. And then, yung mga bata kung gusto nilang pub. Pa-orderin ko na lang si Jan. And, nakalimutan kong isampay yung rug. Naglaba ko ng rug bago kayo umalis. Yeah. Change daw, yeah. Ito yung mga isasampay ko. Bago ko magsampay, i-public ko muna yung vlog ko. Hindi ko pa siya na-public. And sila kuya and si Jan. Si kuya and si Jan punta sila ng Adelaide. What time you're leaving tomorrow? 6:30? 6:30 in the morning kasi may ano si kuya. Is it a competition or just a lesson?
Competition Sunday.
Oh, lesson tomorrow. Yes, lesson tomorrow, then Sunday competition. Tapos, ano, gabing-gabi na sila makaka-uwi. What time is the competition on Sunday? Johnny Boy?
12.
12?
Yeah.
Oh, 12. So, yeah, gagabi na naman sila sa Sunday. I-public ko lang yung aking vlog. Wait lang guys. Sampay ko na yung mga rugs. Tapos, mamaya, maglalaba ulit ako. Pagdating ni Sak, hintayin ko siya para malabang ko yung uniform niya. And, si Jan, ayun. Na-prepare niya na yung car niya para bukas. Mainit ngayon, pero bukas, ang pangit ng weather. Oh, sinara niya na yung shed. Lininis niya yung bagong sapatos ni Kuya kasi ginamit yun ni Kuya dito sa bay. What are you doing, hon?
Not much.
Tired? You're tired? Look at that! Mas may sugat siya.
Oh,
Init.
Son.
I know, it's too hot. Going in, hon. I'm gonna cook spring rolls. Yung partner ko dun sa pansit beer na tira. Humingi pala sila ng ano, pansit. Wait, mag-init luto tayong spring rolls ko. Ako dito sa freezer ko ito. Kunti na lang pala. Akala ko marami pa ako. Nakahanap ako ng isa pang maliit na bag. Ayan. Sulitin ko na to. And pag may oras ako, gawa ulit ako ng spring rolls. Kasi nag-stock talaga ng spring rolls kasi pag ganito ba, yung madalian lang, hindi ko pa nalipit yung pinagkainan kanina. Kasi may ginawa rin ako. Okay, wala naman masyadong hugasan. Yan lang naman, oh. Eto, lininis ko to kagabi. So, yan. Kaya mag-catch up lang ako dito sa bahay kasi kanina, 'di ba, umalis kami.
Jack.
Pinapanood ni Jan sa sa Facebook kasi 'di ba sa Facebook may nagpapa-up ng memories. Ang liit pa ni Kuya tsaka ni Sak, nakanapi pa sila, nag-golf sila. Ito pala, nagpapainit na rin ako ng tubig. Ay, tubig. Oil. Magprito ka ng tubig. Hindi yan maluluto. So, prituhin natin to. And yung buhok ko, sabi ni Jan, nag-green daw dito. Siya kahit si Sak, diba? Medyo nag-green daw dito, oh. Ang gamit ko naman ay yung purple na shampoo. Hindi ko alam, pero okay lang. Gutom na ako, as in. Gutom. Ito, masarap to. Nasarapan ako dito. Ito, nabili ko to sa Coles. Ito yung Lamington na balls. Sarap siya kasi meron siyang jelly sa loob. Limutan niya raw kainin yung sponge niya. Oh. Hi, Zach! Yeah, he's here. Siya lang mag-isa kasi si Kuya nauna na sa kanya. Oh. Hi! Oh. Oy! Natay ko muna siya kasi maglalaba ako kasi dito na si Saksak. Take off your uniform.
Yes.
Come on. Come on. Because I'm gonna wash. Come on. So, nandito na lahat ng labahan. Tuloy ko na yung aking
Fire.
favorite song yan ngayon ni Holly. At saka yung kay Pink, yung yung kinakanta ni Pink, tsaka ng anak ni Pink, gustong-gusto rin yun ni Holly. So, yes, papatuloy natin yung pagluto ng spring rolls. Tingnan nyo na yung aking parsley. Tumagal din siya sa akin, ha, in fairness sa kanya. So, luto na tayo. Guys, parang nahack ako sa ChonaAndMyKids ko sa Instagram. Hindi ko na mabuksan yung aking Instagram sa wala na siya. Wala na yung ChonaAndMyKids. Pero nakikita ko yung account ko. Pag sinerch mo yung ChonaAndMyKids, hindi mo siya makikita. Pero yung makikita nyo ay eto. Hindi ko na ma-search ang ChonaAndMyKids. And hindi yan yung aking... Sorry, guys. Hi, Kuya!
Hi.
How did you go?
Good. Dad. I was 9 up and 8 more holes to play.
You won?
Yeah.
Very good. Well done, yeah.
Dad. Thank you.
Good job, Kuya. Say congratulations.
Congratulations. Dad, guess what? There's no water. You gotta get it.
You just finished, yeah?
Yeah. I mean, she's supposed to eat, Mom. 10 holes. I think she's supposed
10 holes.
Yeah. Because he couldn't catch. He can't catch up if I'm 9 up and then there's 8 holes more to play.
Yeah.
Nine.
Pardon, Han?
He only had to play 9 because he won all the 9 holes, so he can't win. There's only 8 to go, so he can't win.
How many holes?
There's 18, but because he won 9, the other fella can't win because there's only 8 left.
Okay.
So that's it, we're finished.
Oh, so you're coming home now?
Well, we're still at the Grange.
The what?
We're still at the Grange golf course where TJ left his sunnies that time.
Yeah. I've been there. Yeah, we've been there. Good.
Play well again, the boy.
Good job. So proud of you, Kuya. We are so proud.
Get home.
Oh, very
Where's
late.
Zachary? Where's Jack?
Jack, here's Jack.
What's he watching?
We're doing Zachary.
Mm.
I can't say, mate.
Ah, sorry.
G'day, mate.
What time are you home?
Why do you miss me?
Yeah, what time are you gonna get home?
Well, what's the time now, mate?
It is almost 4 o'clock.
So probably 9:30 or something. We've got to have something to eat, yeah, and then we cruise on.
Yeah, good job.